Well, hey everybody, it's been a long trip from San Antonio to make it here at the Tesla Fremont plant, but I finally did arrive super early, I guess this morning, or late last night, whatever you want to say. Basically, my plane was delayed because of thunderstorms up at Denver, and then they had a fire in the United Airlines main center, so they had our planes go back to the gate, and we deplaned, and we had to wait a few hours and then flew up to Denver, and then we ran into some other delays, and before I knew it, I arrived here about 3:30 this morning, local California time, and now it's a couple of hours later, and I'm here in front of the factory of Fremont. And fortunately, I'm being given a chance to get a tour of the factory today. And this is my first time that I've been here, so I'm kind of curious to see how it compares to Giga Texas. Looks like a little bit of an overcast day, a lot cooler than what we see over in Texas. But I guess that's pretty much par for the course here. Look who I ran into here at the Fremont factory. How did you get here?
I drove.
You drove?
Well, I flew in and then I drove this morning.
Yeah.
But I'm very excited. I wish that we could film it.
Yes, I agree too. But this is about as good as we're going to get. But and as I've been telling you, if I look like I'm tired, I am.
You're in zombie mode. You do look a little tired.
I am.
Are you going to sleep after?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All right. But anyway, we're getting ready to start. I'm here with Brent. We're in the Plaid Model S. We're getting ready to go for a little bit of an acceleration adventure.
Just a little.
All right. Whoa! Acceleration! That's pretty awesome. Gonna switch. And here we are on the track. Got a little bit of off angle here. And acceleration. Funnily, the speed limit says no more than 40, but we're going a little bit more than 40.
That's for the general test that they run out here every day.
Yeah. Very cool. Having the banked roads helps a little bit too with the G's, which is awesome.
Absolutely. Puts you down in the seat more than going into the window.
Exactly. You know, one of the things that Giga Texas needs is this track. Now, I know that they're going to be talking about building it up in the northeast side of the cathode area, and I am looking forward to when that construction is completed. But for right now, what we have to do is here in Fremont, and I'll tell you, this is just a lot of fun. Like Tom is here. At 60 and beyond. Very cool. Now, this is a great job you got.
I can't complain at all.
This is amazing.
Get to meet fun people and drive fast cars. I couldn't ask for anything more.
I love the instant torque though. It's just amazing.
It's fun. It's a blast.
Now, I just want to say thank you very much again to Tesla, and of course Tesla Silicon Valley for making this tour happen. And I'm here also for the X Takeover event, which is getting geared up today. There's going to be a light show tonight, and then tomorrow will be the main event, and I'll be on one of the panels talking about some SpaceX topics, but I'm also waiting to see what else is going on with some of the displays and some of the events, and of course some of the keynote speakers as well. But anyway, quick update here from Fremont, California at the Tesla factory here, and looking forward to the tour.